You think you know farm to table? Well, at this place, the table is actually on the farm. This is Joe's Farm Grill.
I have that Gouda garlic bacon burger.
Gosh.
Oh my goodness, that looks good. It's definitely not your average burger bar. This is the place you want to go to if you want a good, straight from the farm to the table type meal.
They grow all of their own vegetables. Everything is farm fresh.
That farm belongs to Joe Johnston, who grew up here and turned his old family home into a restaurant.
This was originally your house.
It was.
That was originally your farm.
We do have our own local farm. We're using organic produce.
And Joe's chefs use those homegrown goods on just about everything.
Burgers are big.
Huge.
When Guy came, he had the Fontina burger.
We use a 3rd pound, all Arizona beef.
Raised, butchered, everything for you guys.
Oh, yeah.
Sauteed mushrooms. Normal condiment bar you find at all fast food joints.
We use as much as we can from the farm.
We make this here, you know, with the basil that we...
Did you grow? I know.
Yeah, and roasted peppers.
Did we also grow?
Right. And then arugula.
Look at that. That's a Mac Daddy patty. Nice, tender, big mushroom flavor. The arugula. That's excellent, man.
When Guy came to the restaurant, it was a brand new restaurant, 14 months old. We were selling 1,400 burgers a week. Now we've doubled that. We're selling so many more things to so many more customers.
And they're getting creative, like with their new top seller, the Gouda Garlic Bacon Burger Stack.
We ran a series of specials to find out what people really liked, and this one hit it out of the ballpark. So we start with the Caesar dressing, the red wine vinegar, add some lemon juice, some anchovy paste, the Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, and then fresh minced garlic, blended olive oil, grated pecorino romano cheese, mayonnaise, and fresh chopped oregano. Then we season our ground beef patty with roasted garlic. Then we enrobe the applewood smoked bacon with Gouda. And then we add the Caesar dressing. We have a red onion slice, caramelized, tomato, pickles, and then we add some of our barbecue sauce. It's such a messy burger. It's just not right to give it to a customer without gloves.
All right, guys, I got a Gouda burger. Let's go.
It's like the juiciest burger I've ever had. It's a mouthful.
It's just a plethora of flavors and tastes whenever you bite into it.
So I'm here at Scottsdale, Arizona, at one of the greatest places you could stay, Sanctuary. Oh, I'm not here for Triple D. No, I'm here to pick up their executive chef, my buddy, Chef Bo McMillan. You ready to go?
Let's do it, bro.
Come on.
All right.
And after that pickup in 2014, Bo and I took a wild ride, meeting a chef who's still firing up her untamed take on Thai. This is the Wild Tiger.
Ginger fish in the window.
The Wild Tiger is a new version of Thai food.
Tom yum fried rice with chicken.
Triple D was here before. This food should be shown to the public.
Rapow, Thai hot.
You can get it mild, as spicy as you want. Everything from boar to shrimp. Allah is a chef extraordinaire.
That's Chef Alishan Weaver, who's got the tiger by the tail with her own fierce take on this traditional cuisine.
My mom is a chef, and so I learned from her.
My brother.
My sister.
I gotta get my guy fixed.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Still one of my favorites. What year did we come? 2014?
Yeah.
The Bo Mac and I showed up.
Open that, because he's going to want to start eating.
Dumpling time.
Guy picked some of the things that were so obscure on the menu. Some of us have to try them because Guy tried them.
What are we gonna make?
Dragon eggs.
Dragon eggs are a shrimp, pork, and crab dumpling. Fantastic.
Let's start it. So we have trimmed pork loin.
Gonna get it nice and smooth.
We're not quite pureed, but we're not far from it. Now we do the bay shrimp.
Yes. Okay.
Now the swimps.
Crab.
Ooh, a little crab action.
Yeah. Sugar.
Okay.
Oyster sauce.
Very nice.
This is Gold Mountain seasoning. It's a lighter soy sauce. Then we're gonna put in some garlic. Pepper, some eggs. We're gonna add in a little oil. Okay, now we're gonna stuff the wontons. Get a nice heaping spoonful, and we're gonna put them in there, and you're gonna wrap them up.
Steam these or fry these?
I do half and half.
Wow.
We're gonna steam them first.
How long do they steam?
15 minutes. As soon as they come out of the steamer, we're gonna drop them in the fryer.
So they're steamed ones.
Grab the fried ones.
That looks like a big fried chicken wing. I'm getting excited right there. Look at that thing.
Pour the dragon egg sauce on top.
Big rings of jalapeno.
You going deep fried, brother?
Yeah.
I'm going steamed.
You the whole room. Not too spicy, not too salty. Dynamite.
shrimp, crab, chicken, pork, oyster sauce, a little bit of sugar.
That dish has just skyrocketed.
Here are your dragon eggs. They're kind of addictive.
So I'm cruising through Scottsdale, Arizona to check out a joint where, get this, the wife is a second-generation Albanian. The husband is an immigrant from Mexico, and together they're scratch-making about 95% of the menu. Now, since I was here in 2013, this bounty of the county is benefiting both the breakfast and lunch crowd. This is Perk Eatery.
Muchos sweet potato fries.
The food is incredible. You can just taste the freshness in every single dish.
Breakfast burrito supreme for Guy.
When you get someone like Guy, you become a success. That's exactly what has happened here.
Breakfast tacos up.
Pauline is a true chef. It doesn't matter what ingredients she has, she just knows how to make everything taste right.
That's because Pauline Martinez, who owns the joint with her husband Carmen, serves up the area's Southwestern vibe in her own style. What do you say? We own Perk, and the food is
awesome.
I mean, that's a good word when you're in 8th grade. It's one I use for the everything descriptor, but what is it?
We call it classic Americana with a Southwest kick.
Enchiladas are being plated.
The enchiladas have this sauce. It's a darker, reddish sauce, which is fabulous.
Give me the rundown.
The first step is the spicy New Mexico chili sauce. Chilies with the seeds, hot water,
okay,
salt, cayenne pepper, black pepper, fresh garlic, honey,
darling,
chicken base, and then we have chipotles and adobo that have already been pureed.
Nice.
Little blend up.
So now we're gonna work on the pork.
Start with seasoned salt, fresh ground nutmeg, paprika, cumin, dark chili powder, spicy cayenne, granulated garlic. Just roll it around a little bit.
Okay.
We're gonna top it with our house-made cilantro jalapeno sauce. This is the spicy version. Now we're gonna add cola, and we're gonna let this sit overnight and marinate.
Then roast it.
350 for about 4.5 hours.
Dig it.
So we're gonna pull this out, and we're gonna slice this.
Now what are we gonna do with it?
Now we're gonna take it from here, and we're gonna grill it on the flat top so it gets a nice little caramelized crisp on it.
And then we'll put it into the enchilada.
Yeah.
Very nice.
We're gonna take these tortillas, a little bit of the homemade chipotle, ricotta,
okay,
zesty black beans, and then the slow roasted pork goes right on top. And we're gonna top them with that spicy New Mexico chili sauce. And 2 incredible edible eggs, a little bit of fresh cilantro.
I'm really good. But New Mexican chili enchilada sauce.
A little bit of heat. Nice little sweetness to it from that honey.
And those eggs are a complete waste of time.
The breakfast enchiladas?
Once we were on Triple D, that's all anybody wanted to eat. Breakfast burrito supreme.
The breakfast enchilada and the burrito sound so similar, but they're very different.
The breakfast burrito supreme is fantastic. It's got salsa verde, it's got pork in it.
The pork is a milder, more relaxed flavor profile. Garlic powder, salt and pepper, chili powder, onion powder. Then we have a little secret blend of spices, a touch of soy sauce. We add a local light beer. We do a whole bottle of our cilantro jalapeno sauce. Now it sits in the marinade overnight, and we slow roast it for about 3.5 hours at 325 degrees. We chop this, and then we let it sit in the juices overnight, and it's ready to go down on the grill. Onions and jalapenos. Flour tortilla down, some cheddar cheese, scrambled eggs. Add our potatoes. We'll take our egg mixture and add it in. Finish it with a house-made black bean. We're gonna roll this behemoth, top with our cilantro jalapeno sauce and some fresh cilantro. Burrito supreme.
That pork's so juicy, tender.
It's got a nice heat to it.
The cilantro jalapeno sauce has got a great Southwest flair, just filled with flavor.
All right, Marcel, let me ask you a question. You like pizza?
Yep.
You like wings?
You know I do.
Yeah, you like barbecue?
Absolutely.
Awesome. What if I said we could watch the games, have great drinks, and eat all those foods?
Now, Guide, I don't come to Tempe much, but if that place exists, I'd know about it.
Well, let me introduce you to Bonfire.
Walking in, I have a Gila Monster Burger. It's not your typical restaurant.
Arizona Gold Wings in the window.
Initially, we were like, oh, it's a new sports bar. Let's go watch the game. But the food is fantastic.
And for David Lindsley, the restaurant biz has always been more than just a game. It's a family legacy.
My grandfather owned a sports bar.
So you started from there. Got it. What kind of food?
Pizza, wings, burgers, barbecue is what we wanted to build the whole restaurant on.
It has great gourmet food. The spin on the pizza is awesome.
Oh no, smoky.
The Old Smoky pizza gets smoked brisket, pork, chicken.
I go bite first, crust next. Sometimes I share with my wife, sometimes.
What are we into first?
We're gonna make our dough. You take 7 pounds of water, salt.
Got it.
Sugar next.
Drop your yeast.
And then everything goes in. Garlic oil.
25-pound bag of flour.
That's not gonna spill everywhere. I have black on.
How long are we gonna mix?
9 minutes.
Let it proof, portion it, and let it rest for 24 hours, and we'll use it tomorrow.
That's correct. We're gonna make a brine for the chicken thighs.
Let's walk through this.
Water, brown sugar, salt, black pepper.
Garlic and red chili flake. So the brine is done. Drop that over the top of the boneless, skinless chicken thighs.
That is correct.
Dry rub this pork and the brisket.
We are. Salt, Italian seasoning, onion powder, granulated garlic, paprika, black pepper. Liberally sprinkle it on the brisket. Into the smoker.
What kind of wood?
Applewood. We're gonna make barbecue sauce.
Got it.
Start with the water, cornstarch to make a slurry, ketchup, pineapple juice, apple cider vinegar. We also make our own smoke water. Brown sugar, Worcestershire,
molasses,
smoked paprika.
Go Marselius.
Dry mustard, salt, cayenne, granulated garlic, pepper, and onion powder.
How long are we gonna let this cook down?
6 to 8 hours.
All right, chicken thighs, pork butt, and the brisket. Chop it up and build the pie.
Okay, we're gonna take our fresh made pizza dough,
The barbecue sauce we just made.
shredded mozzarella,
Pork, chicken, brisket.
house caramelized onions,
What temp are you running that oven at?
650. We're gonna finish it with our garlic butter, also house made.
How about we just start telling us when you don't make something in-house?
I didn't make the pan.
Thank you.
Granulated garlic and oregano, white cheddar cheese curds, fresh grated pecorino romano,
Pecorino.
shredded parm.
So watch how a pro does this. Go ahead.
Oh, okay.
I know better than to not let him eat. It looks like a little kid's pizza in your hand.
Can I start?
Go right ahead.
Chef,
What I was gonna s-
in all honesty, when we started putting all those ingredients on the pizza, I thought it was gonna weigh down that crust. But the way you cook that pizza, the way the crust is, house made, kept its texture, the structure, and the sauce works. That's a good balance. Really good pie.
You're going after my job, aren't you? Marcel's Masterpieces.
Seriously.
When you're a lot of things, you're trying to do barbecue, you're doing pizza and so forth, there's gonna be a flaw. I'm not finding it in that. Well done. Here in Phoenix, Arizona, love this town for Triple D. Been here a ton of times. Great chefs, great restaurants, all kind of diversity. Here to check out a restaurant that won a James Beard Award back in 2012. And you know what? We need to see more of this food and more of this culture. Native American. You're gonna dig it. This is the Fry Bread House.
Fry bread going in.
So when you come into a restaurant and you see that they have a James Beard Award, you know it's gonna be good.
Green chili stew.
Authentic Southern tribal cuisine.
Vegetarian taco up.
Simple but complex at the same time.
And it all started when Cecilia Miller decided to share her family recipes with the masses back in 1992. And now her kids, Jennifer and Richard, are carrying the torch.
My mother passed away in 2020.
Sorry for the
Thank
loss.
you. As a family, we just decided that we were going to continue to keep it going.
She had no idea that her food was going to have the appeal to a wide array of people.
Not represented enough. I think Native American gets more recognition and representation in New Mexico, Arizona.
I grew up in Phoenix. Of course, we know about fry bread.
Every time I've been to a Native American restaurant, the food is just tons of flavor.
Honestly, it's an everybody restaurant.
It shows that cultural education that's occurring through food, and that's a powerful thing.
Pozole chummas for table 7.
The pozole is amazing here.
Got some hominy in it, some pork.
The chumith is like a tortilla. Just dip it in your stew, and it's good.
What's going with the pozole?
Chumith.
More like a tortilla.
Yeah, but if you're in a native restaurant, you got to say chumith. Start by searing our pork.
So a little bit of oil.
Pork loin. We are going to make the pozole. We go oil.
Onions. The hominy.
Garlic.
Oregano.
Oregano. Black pepper. Water.
Chicken base. That much cayenne.
Red chili sauce. Cilantro and green onions.
And then once that pork's done, we're gonna add that in.
That's right. We're making some chumith.
Chumith.
All-purpose flour, some salt, lard.
Warm water.
Warm water.
Okay, so we'll mix this up.
We're gonna let it rest. We're gonna portion it out, and then we're gonna sheet it.
And what do you call this tortilla cooking apparatus that's getting hot over here?
We call it a cornmeal.
All right, Daredevil, you're gonna dive right into the fire over there, or you turn that off?
Just lay it in.
Tattoo your arm.
Wait about 5 seconds.
and then turn it over.
No need to have any tongs or anything there. Just use your hands and let that just get piping hot.
Get your pasoli together, green onions and some
Okay.
cilantro. Use the chimeth also kind of to dip it in there, soak up the juices, and enjoy.
So chimeth is like basically a flour tortilla. I like this scarring. That's good pasoli. Tender pork, nice and light. Not shy on flavor at all.
Good.
Delicious. I love it.
I'm working on the pasoli.
The pasoli here is unique. It's a thicker stew.
It has such a great flavor. The spice makes it amazing.
What do you think of pasoli?
It's excellent. I can smell the flavor.
Green Ultimate coming up for table 12.
It's good food, period.
When you come to Phoenix, you stop by the Fry Bread House.
I believe that your mom is having the moment of all moments right now. You know, getting the James Beard Award is amazing. Now, getting a chance to share with the world this amazing culture, this heritage. Job well done.
Guy, that means so much to me. Thank you so much.